Right, shifting our attention now to the mayoral election that was supposed to take place at the convention center in the national capital. And let's listen into some reactions that have come in. We'll get to those reactions in just a bit, but the news, of course, is that the House has been adjourned and the election has once again been deferred. Remember that there were dramatic scenes a couple of weeks ago when the election proceedings were in fact taking place even before the swearing in of the MCD members could actually begin. There was a huge ruckus. There were blows exchanged between members of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party, the elected councillors, over the precedence when it came to taking the oath at the convention centre, and also the appointment of 10 people known as aldermen on the part of the Lieutenant Governor, where the Aam Aadmi Party claimed that the appointments were made in an extremely arbitrary manner, seen to be favouring one political party on the part of the LG. And even today, when there was a mayoral election scheduled to take place at the convention centre, those proceedings have now been once again deferred due to presumably an absence of consensus in the House. So those are the visuals that you now see from outside the convention centre. There's sloganeering taking place. Let me in fact go across to Niyamika, who's been tracking the proceedings. Niyamika, what's the reason for the deference of the mayoral election once again in the national capital? Niyamika, coming to you, what can you tell us about the reasons why the mayoral poll did not go ahead in the convention centre? Outside the convention centre, we're now seeing protests. Take us through these visuals.
Well, absolutely, as now we are here in the Civic Centre where the proceedings were going on for the mayor elections, and you can also see that how absolutely, as you can also see that the slogans are being raised against the BJP, as these are the Aam Aadmi Party members who are right now protesting against the BJP. They are saying that the nominated members are not allowed to give vote, and that is the only reason why there was the ruckus which we had also seen within the House. And this is the outside scenes of where the MCD elections were going on, and these are the Aam Aadmi Party members who are holding protests, who are raising slogans against the BJP. You can also see that how they are raising slogans against the BJP, and these people, what are their demands? क्या वजह, क्यों आप लोग यहाँ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं?
प्रदर्शन इसलिए कर रहे हैं, इन्होंने चुनाव होना था आज, मेयर और डिप्टी मेयर का चुनाव नहीं होने दिया। खुद ही इन्होंने हंगामा किया और खुद ही चुनाव को पोस्टपोन कर दिया अनिश्चित काल के लिए। लगातार लोकतंत्र की हत्या की जा रही है, संविधान की हत्या की जा रही है। दिल्ली के लोगों के मत, जिन्होंने मत देकर ये सरकार चुनी आम आदमी पार्टी की, आज हमें मेयर मिलना था, इन्होंने पार्षदों की जो है शपथ होने दी, मेयर की शपथ क्यों नहीं होने दे रहे? क्योंकि हमारा आम आदमी पार्टी का मेयर बन रहा था। इन्होंने दिल्ली की जनता
अभी तक तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं गया था कि नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर्स वोट देंगे या नहीं देंगे, उससे पहले ही प्रदर्शन शुरू हो।
नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर्स का क्या मतलब हुआ? संविधान के हिसाब से ये गलत है।
लेकिन क्या वजह रही कि आम आदमी पार्टी आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है?
जो इलेक्टेड मेंबर है, जो इलेक्टेड निगम पार्षद है, उनका राइट है वोट का, नॉमिनेटेड का नहीं है।
लेकिन अभी तक कोई फैसला नहीं लिया गया था, उससे पहले ही प्रदर्शन शुरू हो गया। एक बार फिर ये सदन की कार्यवाही जो है वो
इन्होंने पहली बात तो जो मनोनीत है उनका कोई राइट नहीं है, वोटिंग का राइट, मेयर डिप्टी मेयर का राइट उनका नहीं है। ये संविधान को बिल्कुल ताकदार कर रहे हैं। हम जनता की आवाज है, जनता भी चाहती है कि नॉमिनेटेड जो काउंसिलर है वो वोट ना करें। फिर इनकी इतनी मजाल, पूरा हाउस इन्होंने डिस्टर्ब कर दिया। अभी शांतिपूर्वक सब कुछ हो रहा था, फिर इन्होंने सारी अड़ंगे लगा दी। ये बहुत गलत है, ये संविधान का कत्ल कर रहे हैं, ये जनता की आवाज को दबा रहे हैं, ये बहुत गलत है।
As you have listened to the voices of the Aam Aadmi Party workers, as they are blaming the BJP for disrupting the house, as they are saying that the nominated members are not allowed to give vote, and they are being उपराज्यपाल मिले हुए।
देखो, सदन में जैसे ही वोटिंग शुरू हुआ, ये लोग हंगामा खड़ा करने लगे, तो इनको पता चल गया है कि इनके पार्षद ही इनके साथ नहीं है, और ये चाहते ही नहीं है कि हाँ, अब उसका में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? नैतिक रूप से आम आदमी पार्टी चुनाव से भाग चुकी है और अब संविधान सम्मत निर्णय लेना चाहिए।
लेकिन दिल्ली को मेयर कब तक मिलेगा? फिर दिल्ली अंदर आ रही है, कह रही है कि चुनाव नहीं होने देना चाह रहे हैं।
Well, let me take this across once again to Niyamika. She's outside the convention center where the mayoral poll has been once again deferred. Now, the BJP claims that the Aam Aadmi Party was not confident it had the numbers to elect a mayor and a deputy mayor. The Aam Aadmi Party's claim is that the 10 aldermen that have been appointed by the Lieutenant Governor were being allowed to vote, which is against what the constitution and the rules actually prescribe. Let me take this across to Niyamika. Niyamika, what is the primary objection on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party? Why are their councillors outside the convention centre now protesting?
Well, this entire tussle had begun when the Lieutenant Governor had appointed these 10 aldermen, as the Aam Aadmi Party government had claimed that this is being done by bypassing the elected government of Delhi. And after that, in the previous time when this mayor elections took place, at that point of time also we have seen that the Aam Aadmi Party members created a ruckus within the house because they were saying that the nominated members are not allowed to take oath first, and that same pattern has been repeated today as well. However, the change which we have seen is that the Aam Aadmi Party members had not raised their voice at that point of time when the nominated members were taking oath, but after that they started protesting because they were saying that these nominated members are not allowed to give votes, as this is against the Constitution of India, as our Constitution does not give this right to the nominated members of MCT to give vote in the mayor elections, and even they are not even allowed to give vote to the deputy mayor elections as well. These are the nominated members who can give their votes in the elections of the standing committee. But on the other hand, what the BJP is saying is that the presiding officer didn't take any
Right, Niyamika,
decisions.
we have some more reactions, political reactions coming in after the polls have been deferred. Once again, let's listen to those reactions.
लोकतंत्र के अंदर क्या सामने पुलिस खड़ी करके चुनाव होते हैं क्या? उनके उसको बढ़ने लगे उसकी तरफ चेयर की तरफ, तो उन्होंने एडजॉर्न कर दिया जी। अब इस प्रकार से इनको भय है, इनको भय है, इनको विश्वास नहीं है कि हमारे पार्षद हमारे साथ हैं, इनको भय है कि हमारे पार्षद टूट जाएंगे और इसलिए हमारा चुनाव मेयर हार जाएगा तो हमारी बड़ी किरकिरी होगी देश भर के अंदर। तो केजरीवाल साहब भय के कारण ये सब कुकर्मी लोगों से करवा रहे हैं।
वो आरोप आपके ऊपर लगा रहे हैं, बीजेपी के ऊपर लगा रहे हैं,
बीजेपी के ऊपर लगा रहे हैं। अगर वो पीठाधीश अधिकारी बैठा हुआ है, पुलिस क्यों खड़ी करनी पड़ गई? क्या बीजेपी वालों के लिए पुलिस खड़ी है? हम सब सीट पे बैठे हैं, हम आगे बैठे हैं, क्यों बढ़ते हैं वो पीठाधीश की तरफ? वो आरोप तो केजरीवाल साहब की आदत है, उन लोगों की आदत है, उनके जो ये लोग हैं उनको मालूम है कि दूसरे पर आरोप लगाओ और भाग जाओ, आरोप लगाओ, ये इनकी फितरत है।
क्या वजह रही कि अनिश्चितकाल के लिए
एक बार फिर लोकतंत्र की हार हुई है। आम आदमी पार्टी एक बार फिर आज सदन को चलने नहीं दे रही। ये दिखाता है कि वो चाहते ही नहीं चुनाव हो। जिस प्रकार से आज ये सब कुछ हुआ, ये दिखाता है कि ये लोग अनार्किस्ट लोग हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी ने एक बार फिर सदन को शर्मसार किया, दिल्ली को शर्मसार किया है।
From the BJP, let's in fact go across to Rishabh as well. Rishabh, both sides are today lamenting what they describe as the death of democracy, but blaming each other in the process. Rishabh, coming back to you, we did hear reactions from both members of the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. They're mourning what they describe as the death of democracy because the mayoral polls have not been allowed to go ahead, but they're also blaming each other for it.
आदमी पार्टी एक बार फिर से आप लोगों पर आरोप लगा रही है।
बीजेपी सांसद हंसराज हंस
क्या
जी
कहेंगे?
पता नहीं कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, बीजेपी के लोगों ने तो कुछ नहीं किया।
हंस जी आज फिर मेयर चुनाव
Hans of the BJP. Let me once again go back to Niyamika. She's right outside the convention center. Niyamika, what is the primary reason as to why these protests broke out on the part of the AAP? Did they apprehend that the 10 aldermen being appointed by the Lieutenant Governor were also being given the right to vote, which they say is against the rules?
We would like to go across to BJP's Harish Khurana, sir. First question to you is that once again the House has been abrupted, as today also we are not being able to get an elected mayor for Delhi. What was the basic reason why once again this House has got adjourned?
See, Aam Aadmi Party is not intending to have this election to happen. We have seen on the 6th of this month, same thing has happened today. They have created a ruckus immediately after when proceeding was being ordered by presiding officer and they have asked to vote. The ruckus has started. That means they don't have an intention to have a new mayor and deputy mayor election should happen. This Aam Aadmi Party has to reply. Last time they started on the issue of saying that nominated council should not be voted, should not be taking oath. Today they have let it happen today. So why on 6th of January the ruckus was happened? Why? What was that reason? That means your intent was not there. Today, when everything was going smoothly, when a presiding officer has passed some thing and started voting over there, they started ruckus. This shows they don't want this thing happen. They don't want mayor to be elected in Delhi.
But sir, the kind of sloganeering which we are witnessing in the corridors here, because they are blaming the BJP.
One simple question. Last time you have intended or you disrupted, you have created a ruckus because nominated past council should not be taking an oath. Last time they have done this now. But today, they have let it happen. There's a reason then why. Why on 6th they have created a ruckus then? Today, the issue was not this. Issue was not another issue, not today. That's the reason I'm saying. Year after date after date, they're creating a new problem over there. They don't want it because they are in a fear that their own council might not switch over. That is the only reason they're doing.
Claiming that the nominated members are not allowed to give vote, which the BJP is trying.
Where it is written? Kahan likha hai? Tell me. Point is not this. This is just a mere excuse. That nominated council should not be voted. Their intent is something else. They are in a fear that their own councils might not switch over the sides. That is the only reason they are not letting it happen.
So this was Harish Khurana, and he has also mentioned that the Aam Aadmi Party has a fear that they might not get their mayor gets elected, and that is the only reason why they are creating a ruckus within the House, as he is also questioning that why they had accepted the fact that the nominated members can take oath this time, while in the previous day we have seen that they had done a protest against this entire matter. They were saying that the nominated members are not being allowed to take oath first.